Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my second annual Fabfitfun Summer 2025 box. Let's get into it, see what I picked in this one. If you are new to Fabfitfun, Fabfitfun is a lifestyle box. It comes out 4 times a year, spring, summer, fall, and winter. You can sign up as a seasonal member where you pay seasonally. It is $69.95. I will put a link down below that will get you 20% off your first box. If you would like to sign up annually, you actually end up saving $60 over the course of the year. You do early customization, which means your boxes ship out sooner, and you save about the cost of one of the boxes. You save 60 and the boxes are 69. So if you can do annual, it's a great way to go. Either way, whether you are a seasonal member or an annual member, you will get to select all 6 items that come in your box. This box came as a box. Normally my box comes as a box in a box, but since I didn't do for this subscription, I didn't do any additional selections or an add-on, although I do think that I have a mystery bundle in here. It just came in one box. When we open it up, it's so pretty. I just love this box. This might be one of my favorite ever. It is the Fabfitfun 50th anniversary box. This is their 50th box. It says out of office, and look, when you open it up, it's even prettier. I've boxed myself into a small space here. That is what it looks like. And that is what my box looks like. What is that on top? Oh, it must be the mystery bundle set right on top. Let's move that without looking at it. A blanket or a bag, I'm not sure. We'll set that aside. Okay, first out, we have our paperwork. It is the same paperwork we had in my last box. We have our HelloFresh. They do love us to try our HelloFresh. This is the BetterHelp Give Your Mental Health a Refresh, and there is a scan for 25% off. And then summer starts now. Enter for a chance to win your own Escape to the Bahamas. And that's a scratch and sniff, same scent. We smelled that last time, and it smells very nice for trash bags. We'll go through my customizations, and then we'll dig into that mystery bundle. In customization 1, I chose the oversized tote. That does not even begin to cover this. It is from Show Me Your Moo Moo. It feels really soft. I'm feeling it through plastic. Hold on a second, let me take it out of here. I feel certain that when we did the spoilers on this, I told you it was canvas and paper straw, and yet whenever I saw it, I always thought of this as kind of that pleather. I am so happy this is canvas. It feels so much better in canvas than it would have in pleather. This feels really, really nice. I don't think it's a low enough drop for me to carry on my shoulder, but as a tote, it'll be perfect. I love that the top zips. I don't know that I have many tote bags that zip up top. I love that added protection. A nice striped fabric, kind of a cotton ticking on the inside. There's a slip pocket. It's a really great size. And look, the bottom can be flat. So, I mean, she is carrying some stuff. It is 18.5 by 7.4 by 20. So I'd say 18.5, 20, and then 7.4 deep. And it is imported and it has a $68 value. I am very, very pleased with this. I kind of felt like I didn't know what else to pick for my third box in this customization. And I won't say I settled for it, but I was like, we'll see how it goes. Super pleased. I will be carrying the heck out of this summer. I like that a lot. It makes me want to plan a trip now with my new little Egyptian cotton beach towel that I got, which I also love in here. Some of my goodies. I'm loving this summer box. Also, for those of you who watched my add-ons, so one of my cute little clips. I love that it's keeping my hair out of my face. Totally worth it. Customization 2, I have the After Shower Nourishing Body Oil from First Aid Beauty. It is 6 ounces, had a $36 value, and it said it was a fast-absorbing, lightweight, but luxurious body oil that hydrates the skin and locks in moisture post-shower. I must have read it and it didn't have licorice root, which is why I don't use most of the First Aid Beauty products, because a lot of them are for sensitive skin. And I think licorice root is technically calming. for everybody but somebody who's allergic to it. There was absolutely nothing in here that I couldn't use. Let's see if I can get just a skosh out and we can see how it smells. So oh, very bright. It is just an oil. Turned my camera down so you can see it, but it's just an oil on my hand. And light back up. Oh, very citrusy and nice. Of course, now my hands are gonna be very slick and I'm gonna leave fingerprints everywhere I go. Oh my goodness, that is a bright, citrusy, sunshiny day. I will happily smell like this. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Let's see how quickly it absorbs on my dry skin, especially since I am not long out of a fresh shower and I have just lotioned my entire body. So it left me a little shiny because I came in pretty much lotioned. Let's see how it absorbs. I feel like it's already absorbing. It smells so good. It smells like you just got into kind of a new orange or tangerine. It's just so citrusy and nice. Okay, customization 3. In this one, I chose the Thrive Cosmetics, which is a brand that I 100% love. Bigger Than Beauty Skincare Pout Hero Liquid Balm Lip Treatment. And I think it's clear. We will get into it in a second and check that out. I think a clear lip balm is always a nice one to have around just to put on when you're hanging out or over anything. I forget what the scent was gonna be. Oh, vanilla. It smells like a cupcake. This smells so good. I don't want to put it on over my fresh. Every day I keep reaching for this NARS Lip Shine that came in my first box. Love it. I feel like the color is just great with my skin tone. This smells so good, but that is what, oh, too much. Better without me. That is what it looks like. The flavor is Vanilla Swirl. It has a $26 value, and it says a cushiony leave-on lip balm treatment that deeply nourishes and restores dull, dry, chapped lips for long-lasting moisture and fuller-looking lips. And it says it decreases the appearance of lip wrinkles over time for fuller, healthier-looking lips. And I love products that do that. That's why I love all of my City Beauty products, because they do that also. Okay, next. I got this for my daughter. I reached out and I was like, is there anything in the summer boxes you can't live without? And she said, I really feel, now keep in mind, she has 4 children ranging from, oh, she's getting ready to go. I'm gonna be able to say next year, ranging from 1st grade to college age. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Anyway, that's a whole nother emotional trauma we're going through over here. This is the thing that she thought she could really use, and I totally get it. It is the Isabella's Clearly Bite Soothing After Bite Skin Balm, natural therapeutic ingredients, vegan and cruelty-free. And if you cut yourself, if you get a burn, if you get a bug bite, you're supposed to be able to put this salve on it and it will help. It is olive oil, coconut oil, aloe vera, shea, vitamin E, carnauba wax, lavender, calendula, peppermint, and it's organic ingredients. I can't smell it. Let's open it. She doesn't care if we open it. Oh, I like that. It screws on and off. I assumed it would just pop on and off, but nope, it screws and unscrews. I like that. Yep, lavender. A little bit of peppermint. That's about all I get. That's what it looks like, kind of like a candle. Touch it. Ooh, it's firmer than I anticipated it being. I thought it was going to be more lip balmy, and it feels more, oh no, okay. It's that kind that after you warm it with your skin, it melts down much easier. And that was a nice scent. It has a $19.95 value, and it says it's a soothing formula that's safe and effective for the whole family. A multi-purpose balm can be used to help heal small cuts and scratches, dry, cracked skin, and alleviate symptoms of sunburn and minor burns, in addition to bug bites. Okay, customization, where are we? 5, I think customization 5. I chose the hair claw. This was from Jelly, I think is the brand. It had a $24 value, to which I say, get out of here. That's a pricey claw. But I figure very few of us would actually choose out there for $24. I mean, it's not even, let me pull it back because it's easier to see back here. It's not even a very big hair claw. I mean, that's, let me show you. It says Fraser Sterling up top. Oh yeah, Fraser Sterling Jelly Claw Clip in pink, $24 value. But I mean, compared to my head, I mean, this is not nice and tight. And I do love that the edges are rounded so they're not the ones that are gonna scratch at the back of your head and hurt you. But that's a pretty small clip. The good news is this is a great size for when I do my half, no, I have my hair clipped back today. When I do a half updo, this is a good size for that. But $24, get out of here. I chose it because I like pretty claw clips. I use them, I like having them around for the kids. I mean, with all this hair, it's ridiculous. I need everything to keep it up. But $24. This, on the other hand, is much bigger than I expected. It is the Olaplex 4D Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo. It is 6.3 ounces. And like I said, that is a bigger can than I anticipated it being. It had a $30 value. It was UK restricted. And it says it is a healthy scalp dry shampoo. It's the key to achieving the look of clean, healthy hair, not gritty, dry shampooed hair. It helps extend your style between washes, absorbing excess oil, neutralizing and repelling odor-causing pollutants, and leaving your scalp and hair feeling fresh, washed without buildup. Let's see, because this is what a lot of it comes down to me. And I don't know that I've ever used this. Okay, let's see what it looks like and smells like. Oh, that's nice. Light, subtle, just kind of clean. I did that so you guys, okay, keeping in mind I have a little bit of gray up there, you guys could help decide if there was any cast. It was very cooling on my scalp. Could you guys tell the difference? This is day 2 hair. I left it straight, which I don't almost ever do. Any difference? Here, I have a brush here. Ta-da! Can you tell? Oh my goodness. That smells so good. It smells posh. It doesn't smell like you're covering up with like fruity or floral or vanilla, something like that. It just smells almost like a posh perfume, but not strong. I like the scent a lot. Okay, very happy with that choice. I'll chuck that in my little tote bag when I fill it up too. Those were my 6 choices for my customizations. Just for the record, much, much less greasy. I mean, almost like, just like I had put a hand lotion on that left me soft, but not greasy. I like the feel of it. Still smells citrusy. I like the scent of it too. Okay, let's reach down and get this little mystery bundle. This one is, I think, the one that I get in my original annual box, the one that we saw before, which I will link my other boxes that I've unboxed at the end of this. I think that one gets the home bundle, and this one just gets like a $19.99 or $24.99. I'll let you know here. Regular mystery bundle. Let's open this up. All we saw was something that looked either like a blanket or a bag of some sort on top. It's hard to open it without looking. Okay. First of all, it is a bag. This is what we could see. Juicy Couture. I will probably set this aside in case one of my girls wants it. It is pink and it has hearts. It is super duper cute. That is super cute. It's kind of trigger warning. If you don't like weird sounds, put your fingers in your ears for a second. I'll tell you when it's okay. It's one of these fabrics. Okay. It's kind of like a nylon, but a little more thick. Oh! And it has refill goodies in it. So if you're going, so if just the one, just the one. So it's a big old empty thing inside, and you have this nice bottle. If you're traveling, you can take your bag and your bottle with you. Regardless, I thought it was going to be empty, so the fact that there were any bottles in it was a winner. But it's from Juicy Couture, and that is what it looks like. Could reach back into the Wayback Machine and get some of those pants that said juicy across the biscuits. I'm sure one of the girls will like that. Okay, next out we have, I have no idea, Topicals. I can tell it's from Topicals. It is a brightening and clearing mist. I will set this aside for a giveaway. You guys know anything that's brightening, generally speaking, will have either glycolic or lactic acid or vitamin C, something in it that I can't use. This is, it's the solution for stubborn marks, scars, and spots. So yes, far too aggressive to have on my face. I have to tell you, there are acids on here I've never even heard of. It is full of acids. And then also it has licorice root in it. So here, let me show you what the bottle looks like, and then we will tuck this aside for a giveaway. It's a metal bottle and it squirts. So that's kind of fun. I'm not sure that I will set it aside and somebody else can enjoy it. And last out, I don't know what I have. Okay. Kisco Print Shop Waves of Change Art Print. Art print. I feel like I've missed my calling. I thought it was going to be shorthand or something, but nope, that's art. Art. I am such a peasant. I like Vermeer. But don't they say art is in the eye of the beholder? Behold. Behold. Okay. This goes really close, as far as I'm concerned, to the top of the about mystery bundle things. This is, there you go. There's nothing else to say about it. Art. Now that we have seen it, it is mystery bundle 2502 MYS 014. So if you have that up where you do my box, sometimes it will tell you, or when you get your email from them saying your items have shipped, it will tell you what your mystery bundle number is. Print, topicals, and the Juicy Couture bag. Probably not my favorite mystery bundle, but when you get a mystery bundle, you get what you get and you like it. You know, you're paying your money and you're taking your chances. And one of my girls will like that bag. But as far as my regular Fabfitfun box goes, I am super happy. I got the Show Me Your Moo Moo tote, and I could not be happier with the way that it feels. It just feels so much more quality. I don't know Show Me Your Moo Moo. I think it's supposed to be a really good brand, but it's not one I know, so I didn't know, but I love that. I got the After Shower Oil, which smells fantastic and has absorbed. I don't think I can remember these in order. I have the Thrive Cosmetics Lip Pout. We received the Clearly Bite from Isabella's for scrapes, burns, my daughter with the 4 kids. It'll be perfect. The Olaplex, this smells so good. I can't see because there's too much light. I can't see if it did anything for my hair, if it helped it, but I guarantee you it helped it smell better because that smells amazing. I got this nice pink claw, and that was my second annual Fabfitfun box. Okay. Let me know what you guys have received, what you have chosen. If you're happy with everything you've got, I love to hear what you guys have chosen, especially when it's things I didn't choose, because I like to know what people think. Because like this, it's fantastic, but I had no idea it was gonna smell so good. This, I mean, I expected it to be a dry shampoo, but I didn't know it was gonna smell so good. And most importantly, this, I love the feel of this. Very, very happy. Did you guys get this? Are you happy / surprised how great the quality is? Okay, let me know below. Thanks again for coming by. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I am a Fabfitfun partner, so I have links and codes below. I will put them down there for you for percentages off your box or a nice box of goodies from Fabfitfun if you sign up as an annual. I have done Fabfitfun, I said the other day, for 6 years, but I think we're actually in the 7th year, and I have loved it the entire time. You can go back and check my videos. I've always loved it so much, and there are seasons that are better than other seasons, but I can always put my box together with no problem. I enjoy it so much. So let me know what you guys have thought of your boxes, and have a great weekend. I will see you again next week. Take care, guys.